thunderstorm warning for northern Jones County in central Georgia, southeastern Jasper County in central Georgia, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Carroll Plantation, Oregon, 11 miles northwest of Gray, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Round Oak, Wayside, Brownsville, Hillsboro, and Carroll Plantation. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 6 p.m. in